Hey everyone, welcome to my washroom. So today we are going to talk about plopping, everything about plopping, what is plopping, how you can incorporate plopping in your routine and different types of plopping that I know. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe down below for more baby to curly hair related videos. So what is plopping? So plopping is basically a method which starts after you wash and style your hair. So plopping helps in drying out your hair. At the same time, it helps in giving that definition to your hair. Plopping falls in the category of drying and styling your hair. So plopping is really great, especially for the babies, because we all babies know how looser pattern we have. So plopping helps us in giving that definition and also helps in giving the definition in our root area, because for the babies the root area is kind of flat, so plopping kind of helps in giving that little bit of definition in the root area. So yeah, plopping is basically helps in drying out your hair and giving definition at the same time. So for plopping we first need to wash and style our hair. So yeah, so there are three types of plopping that I know. So first is wet plopping, second would be micro plopping, and third is dry plopping or plopping. I'm not sure if it is known as dry plopping or not, but I think it is known as dry plopping or normal plopping. So first I will wash and style my hair, then I'll come back again. Okay, so I have washed and styled my hair. So first we will be doing the wet plopping. So for wet plopping you will need a shower cap. Okay, so what does wet plopping does is, so if you are someone who have flat roots or who gets flat roots and doesn't have any wavy pattern or curl pattern going on, what you can do is you can do a wet plopping. So for wet plopping you will put a shower cap on your head and keep your hair for 10 to 15 minutes or 15-20 minutes, as long as you want. And what it will do is, all the hair is up on your head, सब ऊपर की तरफ है. So nothing is weighing down. When we leave our hair open to air dry or anything, क्या होता है, नीचे से जो लेंथ ऑफ दी हेयर हमारा होता है उसमें प्रोडक्ट्स एंड वाटर की वजह से इट वे डाउन आवर हेयर. सो उससे क्या होता है कि जो रूट एरिया वहां पे हमारा पैटर्न फॉर्म नहीं कर पाता, स्पेशली वेवियर हेयर के लिए, क्योंकि द वेट ऑफ द वाटर एंड द स्टाइलर्स ऑन आवर हेयर इज पुलिंग द हेयर डाउन root area से, so it's not able to form any curl pattern. So what wet plopping will help is, all of the hair is above our head, so nothing is pulling down नीचे से. So it will help in encouraging the pattern we have on our scalp area. So this is the benefit of wet plopping. I usually wet plop my hair because it helps me giving in that little bit of pattern going on my root area. And also you can just keep your hair like this and take a shower and do your thing for 15-20 minutes. After that you can remove it. So it's really a great option, especially for babies out there. You can leave it for 15-20 minutes and you are good to go. So after wet plopping we will be going on micro plopping. So for micro plopping you will need a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel. So I don't have a microfiber towel, so I will be using my cotton t-shirt, which I use only for my hair only. So now I will remove this and show you what micro plopping is. Okay, so this is my hair. So now I will take my cotton t-shirt and micro plop with this. Okay, so what micro plop did is, micro plop absorbed a little bit of water from my hair, so that it will reduce my drying time and also give me a little bit of definition. So if you don't have time to dry out your hair, because we know our curls take forever to dry, especially थोड़ा ठंडे मौसम में on winters. So what you can do is just grab your cotton t-shirt and just scrunch and squeeze out the excess water, which will make sure that your drying time is cut down and you will get a little bit of definition as well, like this. So I also like to do micro plopping because it's really easy and also helps in reducing the drying time. So this is the benefit of micro plopping, reduces drying time and give a little bit of definition. So now we will jump into dry flopping. So for dry flopping, you will also need a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel. And dry flopping is really great for winters because it really makes sure all the excess water is out from your hair. So your drying time is really cut down to half. So it's really great for winters. I personally don't like dry flopping because I feel like it really absorbs the product from my hair as well. So I would recommend not doing dry flopping for more than 5 to 10 minutes. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं, otherwise it will start absorbing the products from your hair. And also if someday I am doing the dry flopping, I make sure to add a little bit of gel or a mousse, like whatever product I have used, and scrunch my hair in the end after removing the dry flop. So yeah, so I use any styling product just to give that product back to my hair if anything is absorbed in this cotton t-shirt. So yeah, I don't do dry flopping personally, but it's really great if you don't have drying time. Or okay, so this is how dry flopping looks like. So all the hair is scrunched in one position, so all of the hair is above your head, all scrunched in, so it will give that definition. And also this cotton t-shirt will absorb all the excess water from my hair, so it will reduce the drying time. So this is a really also great option, especially for winters when our hair takes forever to dry. So so I won't recommend keeping it for more than 10 minutes, otherwise it will start absorbing the products. So yeah, so these are the 3 types of flopping that I know, and do let me know in the comments below what other type of flopping you know, or what flopping method you like and you do in your routine. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video and learned something from this, and if you do so, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe and do share it with the curly hair. Till then, bye.